The Orion Motor Tech 10-piece valve spring compressor kit is the perfect tool for removing and installing valve springs. For use with almost any vehicle engine type, this kit will make quick work of your next head job. Included in this kit are valve spring pushers ranging from 16mm to 30mm, 5 in total, one heavy-duty solid cast C-type bushing, 2 threaded bars, as well as 1 hand lever. All these parts are kept neatly stowed away in this handy plastic carrying case, ensuring your kit is always ready and complete right when you need it. Let's take a quick moment and see how we use this tool. Here we have a cylinder head off of a 2007 Scion 2.4 liter. Before sending this out to the machine shop, we'll need to remove the valves and valve springs. After assembling the tool and confirming you've matched the correct size pusher for your application, place the tool over the head with the threaded bar on the valve and the pusher over the valve spring. Begin tightening down until the spring compresses. Using a small magnet, remove the keepers. Be sure to set those aside for later. Once the keepers are removed, you can unscrew the tool and remove it from the head. Completely remove the spring, and if you're not replacing them, set aside for later use. If, as is the case here, you're preparing a used head to replace a cracked one, you may find the valves a bit uncooperative when you try to remove them. Resist the urge to hulk out and instead gather your favorite persuader and a large bolt. With a few gentle yet firm taps, you'll find the valve will give in and slide right out. As a professional, I take great pride in not only having the right tool for the job, but the best as well. Affordable, dependable, and durable. The Orion Motor Tech 10-piece valve spring compressor kit. I keep one in my toolbox. You should too.